And then we'll YouTube it and we'll see if we can get about 1 million hits on it. No, just on go, give me all the money. You got, what are you going to say? What are you going to say?
We'll tell you now.
Yeah.
Hi there, I'm Cordelia O'Hare. I'm a fourth year student at Edinburgh University studying chemistry.
Is this you doing it for real?
No. And then what else?
Podcasting matters, what else should you say?
It's not all about yourself, you know, just informal.
But like, I
smoke roll-ups, listen to folk music.
Yeah, that
I
really
smoke
sounds like roll-ups and folk music. It's not exactly right.
I smoke roll-ups, listen to folk music. I'm in fact a 76-year-old woman.
From South Africa.
I'm a farmer.
But my mum's South African and
You should just do that.
You should see that.
Go for it whenever you're ready, because this is rolling.
oh yeah, the red light.
Yeah.
No,
You
you're
want to make
kidding.
that light or no?
That looks fine, mate. That looks natural.
Okay, hi there, I'm Cordelia O'Hare.